tell you a secret? Something I've never said on camera before? There was a time, a long, painful season, where I believed a lie about myself. I looked at other people's progress and called it talent. I looked at my own struggles and called it failure. If you have ever looked in the mirror and told yourself, "I'm just not good at this," whether it's English or anything else, please lean in. This conversation is my heart to yours. Hello, my dear friends. A truly, deeply warm welcome to you. To every single soul watching, whether you're in a busy city, a quiet village, feeling hopeful, or feeling completely stuck, I see you. I'm Hania, and this is more than a channel. This is our shared space for healing.
Hello, Hania, and hello to your courageous heart watching right now. Thank you for being here. Thank you for showing up, even if a part of you whispers that you shouldn't bother. That act alone is bravery.
Kamyar, that whisper, it's so loud for so many. It says, "You're too old. You're too slow. You should have learned by now." It points at yesterday's mistakes and calls them tomorrow's prophecy.
It does. And that whisper is a liar. It's the echo of a system that valued test scores over humanity, speed over depth, perfection over the beautiful, messy act of learning. But today we turn down that whisper. Today we turn up a different voice, your own.
Leaning forward, her hands clasped. So, if you are tired, truly tired of carrying the weight of not good enough, if you are ready to exchange that burden for a seed of hope, then you are in the right place at the perfect time. Our topic today is your declaration of independence from that lie. It is, you're not bad at English. You were just taught wrong.
This is not a language lesson. This is an identity restoration project. We are not building from scratch. We are uncovering the confident learner who has been there all along, buried under old criticism and fear.
Are you ready to meet them? Are you ready to meet yourself again?
Let's begin this homecoming. First, we must become gentle archaeologists of our own past. We don't dig with harsh tools. We brush away dust with care. Let's identify what lies buried under the label bad at English.
Layer 1. The wound of timing. Perhaps you were taught grammar rules before you knew how to say, "I'm happy." Language became a puzzle to solve, not a song to sing. Your confidence was wounded before it could even stand.
Layer 2. The scar of comparison. Maybe there was a star student in class. The teacher held their essay high. You looked at your own, full of red marks, and decided you belonged in the shadow. That scar makes you compare your beginning to someone else's middle.
Layer 3. The bruise of mockery. A laughed-at pronunciation. A mocked accent. That bruise taught your voice to retreat into silence for its own safety. It equated speaking with risk.
Layer 4. The weight of expectation. You've been studying for years. You should be fluent. This weight doesn't consider life, work, exhaustion. It just judges. And under its pressure, joy crumbles.
Look at these layers not with shame, but with compassion. You are not weak. You were in a system that built these layers around you. Acknowledge them. Say, "I see you, and now I will heal you." Now we perform the great reframe. We take every old, painful story and we tell it anew, with truth as our pen.
Old story. I failed the test. I'm a failure. New truth. The test failed to measure my effort, my courage, my unique mind. I am a learner, not a test score.
Old story. They laughed at my accent. I sound wrong.
New truth. My accent is the beautiful fingerprint of my journey. It tells a story of bridges built between cultures. It is my signature.
Old story. I'm too slow. Everyone else gets it faster.
New truth. My pace is my own. Deep roots grow slowly. The understanding I build with patience will be unshakable.
Let's practice this together. I'll say an old story I often hear. You, out loud, reframe it with kindness. Ready? Old story. I keep forgetting vocabulary. I have a bad memory.
New truth. My brain is wisely prioritizing. It remembers what is most useful and emotional for me. I will trust its process.
Beautiful. Your turn, viewers. Pause. Say one old story about your English. Then gift yourself the new truth.
With the old narrative cleared, we erect 4 new pillars for unshakable confidence. These are not made of grammar rules, but of mindset.
Pillar 1. The foundation of self-compassion. Before you open a book, say this: I will be kind to myself today. My worth is not on the line. My growth is. This pillar ensures you don't collapse under your own criticism.
Pillar 2. The beacon of purpose. Ask yourself, why English? Is it for my child's future? For a dream job? For the joy of reading a poem in its original language? Connect your learning to your heart's deepest desire. This pillar gives light on the darkest days.
Pillar 3. The compass of progress, not perfection. Your compass doesn't point to error-free. It points to better than yesterday. Did you understand one more word? Did you speak for 30 seconds longer? That is your true north.
Pillar 4. The shelter of community. You are not building this alone. This community right here is your shelter. When you are tired, come here. We will remind you of your strength. This pillar ensures you are never without support.
These pillars hold up a new identity: the resilient learner, the courageous communicator, the gentle self-teacher.
Confidence is rebuilt in daily rituals, not grand gestures. Here is your 12-minute daily sanctuary, a sacred space to rebuild without fear.
Minutes 1 to 3, the gratitude anchor. Sit quietly, say, I am grateful for my mind that tries. I am grateful for the opportunity to learn. I am grateful for one word I know well. Start from a place of abundance, not lack.
Minutes 4 to 7, the no red pen practice. Write or speak 3 sentences about your coffee, about the sky, anything. Your only rule: do not correct them. Just let them exist. You are practicing expression without judgment.
Minutes 8 to 10, the kind echo. Listen to a short, beautiful English phrase, maybe from a song or poem. Repeat it, not to copy, but to let the rhythm and meaning resonate in your body. Say, this feels interesting in my voice.
The victory declaration. Place your hand on your heart. Say aloud, today I honored my growth. I was brave. I am becoming. This seals your practice with self-recognition.
This ritual is non-negotiable self-care. It is not about quantity of English. It's about quality of relationship with your learning self.
Your environment must reflect your new mindset. If your study space feels like a battlefield, change it into a sanctuary.
Remove the triggers. Put away old textbooks that smell like failure. Delete apps that only highlight mistakes. Create a clean, hopeful space.
Step 2. Add inspiration. Put up a photo of where you want to use English, a quote that inspires you, a plant that grows as you grow. Make it a place you want to be.
Step 3. The confidence playlist. Create a playlist of music that makes you feel powerful, calm, and capable. Listen to it as you begin your practice. It will signal to your brain, this is safe, this is good.
Step 4. The I am wall. Write your new I am statements on sticky notes. I am resilient. I am understood. I am enough. Place them where you will see them every day.
Your environment should whisper encouragement to you every single day.
Rebuilding feels daunting, so we don't look at the whole mountain. We look at the very next step.
Your first step is simply this. For the next 24 hours, every time you think a critical thought about your English, you will add, "And I am learning with courage." I don't know this word, and I am learning with courage. I made a mistake, and I am learning with courage.
Your second step. Tomorrow, you will send one message in English to a friend, in this comment section, even to yourself. It can be 2 words. Hello. Progress. You will hit send before the fear can stop you.
Your third step, you will find one person, just one, and tell them, "I am rebuilding my confidence in English." Speaking your intention makes it real.
These are not small steps. They are revolutionary acts. They are you choosing a new path.
You were never broken. You were a seed planted in the wrong soil. Now you are transplanting yourself into fertile ground, ground made of compassion, purpose, and community. You will grow. You will bloom.
The world needs your voice, not a perfect voice, your voice, with its unique accent, its hard-won vocabulary, its perspective that only you have. The conversations waiting for you, the people waiting to connect with you, they need you, not a perfect imitation of someone else.
From this moment forward, let every English word you speak be an act of self-love, every sentence a declaration of your right to be heard, every conversation proof that you rebuilt what was torn down.
You are not just learning a language, you are reclaiming your space in the world. You are answering the call of your own potential. And we are here, not as teachers, but as fellow builders, cheering with every brick you lay.
We believe in the person you are choosing to become. We believe in your resilience. We are in awe of your courage. This is your beginning, and it is magnificent.
If this message found you at the right time, press like. Let's create a wave of rebuilding that lifts everyone.
Subscribe and ring the bell. This community is your sanctuary. We will walk this path together.
Comment below with your new truth. Start with, "My new truth is." Let's fill this space with our collective courage.
Share this with one person who needs to hear, "You were not bad, you were taught wrong." Be the mirror that reflects their true strength.
Thank you for your brave heart. Your journey inspires ours. We believe in you, always. Bye for now.